Hello and welcome to an amazing property here in Benahavís. I'm Andy V and I'm about to show you a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa here in Benahavís, which you know it is called the Dinner of Costa del Sol. If you are a food lover or a golf enthusiast or just a sea lover, then this is your perfect vacation house. So without further ado, let's get into it. It has a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, as I have told you. The plot size is 1,666 square meters. The build size is 255 square meters, and the terraces are together 389 square meters. It has 3 parking spots and it's well refurbished, so let's dive into it together. I'm Andy V and I'm so excited to guide you through this amazing property for the price of 2.5 million euro only. Thank you. If you have seen until now, I'm Andy V and I'm so thankful that you were watching until this very moment. So please do not hesitate to ask me anything or to get in touch with me. Thank you so much for watching.